Welcome to another Kontentino tutorial. In this video, we are going to show you how to create a Facebook carousel post step by step. In the post creation modal, choose a post type in the upper section. In this case, click the carousel type on the right side. Down below the copy field, you have a field where you can input your link. Once you enter the link you want to share via the post, click on the Set Link button. To create a carousel post, click the plus button, and new cards will be added. Here you have the option to use the media from your device or choose it directly from Media Library. In case the link is not correct, simply move your mouse next to the link, click on the small bin, and delete it. Create a copy, sprinkle it with emojis, use hashtag presets, manage your links, or use audience restrictions. You also have the option to write a first comment that will be posted alongside your post. Simply slide on the toggle and insert your text. Now, you can alter the titles, descriptions, and link URL suffixes for each individually if you do not wish them to be the same. You can even choose from 34 call to action buttons. This button will be displayed on your carousel post. Moreover, if you wish to have your logo displayed at the end of the carousel post, just toggle this feature. Right down below, you can toggle your own UTM tags as well. UTM tags are a good way of tracking the performance of your campaigns and content. Throughout the whole post creation process, your post's live preview will be present on the left side of your screen. You can click on the arrows and check how the links with the media and descriptions will look when published. You can also easily switch between a desktop and mobile view. Once everything's ready, you can set up a publishing date and time. When you have the post finalized, make sure to click the Save button. In case you create a post without a publishing date, the post will be saved as a post idea. You will be able to view and access it in the left navigation panel of the calendar. If the post is ready to be posted, don't forget to click the Schedule button. And that's it! Your carousel post is all set. Thanks for watching and enjoy the scheduling.